many times this has happened with you that you gave a fantastic interview and you did not get any reward from the interviewer? I'm sure there would be many more times that you would have been in this situation when you had given an interview, it went well, you did everything good with your best of your capacity, but then there was no reward and you are still thinking, did I do something wrong, or what did the interview thought about me, or what I could have done better. So there are many questions that are in your mind when you're thinking about your interview that you gave recently and you did not get any reward. Well friends, my name is Arun Thukral. I am a life and a leadership coach, and in this video today I would be giving you a lot of tips, lot of answers that how to handle those situations. Do you need to talk more, or do you need to stop yourself or hold yourself by going forward to the employer or the interviewer that he may start bothering about you, or that you need to be very subtle about and wait more patiently for the results to come? Well, all these questions, all these concerns will be answered in this video, but don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video thoughts, my channel, with your friends and well-wishers all around you. Stay tuned, here it comes. Well, to explain this entire situation, let me start with my own story. Few years back, I attended an interview for the post of a national sales head, and my interview went very well and I was very sure that I will be able to make it. But after the interview, I waited for 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, and it went up to 10 days when I did not get any response. And again, that created a lot of anxiety, a lot of stress in my mind. Did I do something wrong in the interview? Did I say something that was not suitable? Or or am I not fitting into their scheme of things? So there were a lot of questions in my mind. So I wanted to get answers to this. So I started reaching out to some of my known friends in that organization to check what is the status of my candidature. I only got a response that, Arun, you need to wait because there are so many things going on in the organization. It is not just that the company is waiting and doing things only for your candidature for that position. And no doubt that position was important, but at the same time, they had other things, other priorities that were more burning than this role. My anxiety grew further because another 10 days passed. It's almost now 25 days that has passed since the interview happened. And I was worried that whether my candidature is there or not, or they have got somebody else instead of me and they are pursuing the position with that candidate. And at that point of time, what happens with us? It happens that my focus on my current job was also getting diluted because the mind was always on the other side. So what happened in that situation? Finally, I got a call after almost 30 days and I got that position, and I was very happy that I got it. Now, we all can get into this situation because when I started interviewing people, when I started evaluating candidates, I have seen that there are many more factors that happens when you interview candidates, and post that there are a lot of deliberations, there are a lot of other things that are on fire that takes little longer time for the organization to come back with the results. But on the other side, the candidate side, it is always the pressure, anxiety and the curiosity to know the results, and more so with people who are freshers or very young in their current experience stage. In this video, I will be telling you now those areas that you need to be taken care of, what all goes inside the organization post your interview if it is delayed, and what all you can do at your end to salvage that situation and can still find out a good way to find out what happened even when your interview went very well. So what could be the potential reasons at the company side that we may not know? Let me narrate you all of them. What comes to my mind? Number one is that the interviewer has got so many things on his plate that he forgot to follow up on the candidature of yours. The reason number two could be that the organization decided that they can distribute the work to their existing employees, and maybe that they can hold on for some more time to hire a new recruit for that role. Number three also could be that the interviewer might have gone on a vacation, or he has just left the job. Or also could be that there is a new recruitment agency that have pitched in some new candidates, and they are taking more interviews to evaluate a better candidate for that position. And most recently, what I've heard is that a lot of time the companies are just interviewing people for the sake of interview, to understand what's going on in the market, or also to gain some competitive intelligence. Well, there could be many more reasons. The list can be more detailed about what all can go inside the organization at the time that you have given the interview and what happens after that. But don't doubt your own competence, don't doubt your self-confidence, don't doubt that your preparation was lesser than that you did not get the job. So there could be many reasons that are going on the hindsight. Your confidence, your way of thinking should not deter you for getting a better job. So what all you can do at your end to get that job, to reach out to the organization, to reach out to the interviewer, what is all in your control, that is what I'm going to tell you now. Now, what you can do: post your interview, write a thank you mail to the interviewer and thank him for the opportunity that you had a chance to get interviewed by him. Then wait for a week, and if you do not get any response within a week's time, then you write a follow-up mail back to the interviewer that what is the outcome of the interview that you have done. And if you still do not get any response, say after 3-4 days or a week has gone by, then I would recommend that you should go back to some people in the organization where you have some network within the organization, like in my story. Or you can reach out to your recruiter who can do a follow-up on your behalf to understand that what is going inside the organization with respect to your candidature. So if you feel that things are moving in a positive direction, it is just a matter of time that you will get an offer, great. But on the other side, if you do not get any response, your mails are not getting responded, your recruiter is not able to give you a clear picture, then I would highly recommend that don't wait for that opportunity too much, because it is not always you as a candidate who is going forward for that role or for that organization. It is also the responsibility of the interviewer and the organization to see that you as a candidate as a potential future for their organization, and they should also be responsible in responding you back. If that is not happening, then maybe that organization is not really good for you. So you have to take a very calculated risk and a calculated decision at that time, that whether you want to really pursue more with the organization or you want to go for newer opportunities that are available in the market. In my opinion, if after almost 15 days or 21 days I did not get any response with my polite follow-ups, with my soft follow-ups, then I should definitely look out for newer opportunities outside where I can do better and prosper better, whatever opportunity that comes that I find suitable. Because it's your role, it's your job, it's your career that is at stake, and you need to decide what is right for you. Well, I'm sure I have given you some very basic inputs, but they are very important inputs, particularly when you are not too sure what to do after you have given a great interview and you have got no reward. Well, if you have got some other experience to share, I would love to see in the comments below. And I would also recommend that do like and subscribe my channel. I'm bringing a lot of stuff for you to grow in your role and do a better career for yourself. Thanks for watching me, and stay connected.